Want to know how to free up your space in Google One? So if your storage is compacted and it's about to end, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily free up space in just a few clicks. So let's get right into it. Now first things first, just simply open up your Google One application and you should be under this interface right here. Now right beside backup you should be seeing clean up right here, which should be showing your storage as well and how much you can clean up. So you can just simply select view right here, and now once you have stuck your view, here you can see your Google One Storage Manager. So as you scroll down here, you should be seeing cleaning up suggested items. So you can see what you can clean. So with emails, with large attachments, files and bins, and spam emails, and also last files. So you can just simply review them and see all of the photos, etc., which you can easily delete, and you can go on with it. And that's it, super simple and easy. So this is how you clean up in Google One. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.